Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to save TikTok videos without save option. So simply first of all you have to open the TikTok app. So now here you can see there are multiple videos available here. So what we want to do, we just have to save these videos without save option. So simply there are two methods. One method is you have to download TikTok videos from third party app, and in this video way you can easily save your videos. And the second method is the very simple, just install any screen recorder in your cell phone. Like I have installed X Recorder. So when you install this screen recorder in your cell phone, what you need to do, you have to enable the system audio of screen recorder to save the videos and audio as well. So after this you can easily record the screen. So in this way you can save TikTok videos without using save option.